Getting a cash advance may seem like an easy solution to a budget emergency, but the process can be one of the most stressful experiences in your life. One thing you need to know is that if you need a payday loan, you do not need a free handout, you need cash to make your weekly budget. Why would anyone want to give out cash just because they are free? If someone truly needs cash advance, they should be entitled to it no matter what the rules say. The way your bank accounts work is pretty simple. You swipe your credit card and they go in the free pile. Your loan is applied for through your financial institution, and they add it to your account. Then the money is deposited in your checking account, and the interest begins. If you do not have a balance, you will have to pay the money back in the following week. It does not take much to add another $50 or so to your payment. But what if you do have a balance on your card? The interest rate may be higher than a normal card, but it is probably more accurate to describe it as a charging fee. They could try to sell your interest rate for something to other banks, or even the government if you choose. You don't have to accept this method of borrowing because it is the only method available to most people who need a loan. However, you still want to be very careful about what type of interest rate you are charged. The company may be asking for too much money, so there is some risk, but the rewards are often worth it. Try to avoid higher interest rates. If you are having trouble with the fact that the interest rate is much higher than you would normally pay, you can try to go over the maximum allowed. Be sure that you have the cash and the card before you get to that limit. Another great way to save money is to only apply for a cash advance when you really need it. No one wants to wait days or weeks for their pay to arrive, so you will usually need to know the date that the pay will be deposited into your account. In many cases, this date is 2 weeks before the pay comes due. You don't want to wait any longer than that to get a card. If you need a cash advance right away, the shorter the time between when you apply and when you receive the money, the less time you will spend worrying about the payment. Plus, you will not be opening more than one account, which means lower fees. Since your paycheck is going directly into your checking account, you won't have to worry about paying any interest or fees for the payment. This is good news, since you can cut expenses and use the money for other important things. Remember that you can get a cash advance in just a few minutes from the moment you apply for it. There is no need to wait weeks or months to use your cash advance.